Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to take a full page screenshot in Firefox. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to another browser and download Firefox from there, because you do not have Firefox with of course the Windows system. But now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the middle of the screen we have the search box. We have it also in the top side of the screen. We have the add shortcuts, and in the top right corner we have these three lines where we have a lot of different settings and you can go and see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and take a full page screenshot in Firefox. So first of all, right click on the empty particle web page you want to of course go and capture. So basically here, and from the context menu click on take screenshot. So you have it here. Then as you can see, this will pop up here in the screenshot toolbar that appears in the top right. Click save full page. So you have it here, save visible or full page. You can go and choose from those. The screenshot will be downloaded as an image file in your default download location. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+S or Command+Shift+S on Mac OS to quickly open the screenshot toolbar and follow the same steps. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until next time, bye guys.